All right, so good morning. I am going to work on something today, hopefully finish something today that I've been wanting to do for quite some time. And that is I'm going to install a small pump, a small well pump. There's 100 different ways to do this. This is how I'm doing it. I'm using a small well pump and I'm connecting it to my 275-gallon tote that's right on the other side of this wall. So I have a spigot on there that I've always used to fill up water for my animals and water plants and all that. And I've changed this. It used to just be an elbow. But what I want to do is I'm going to pipe out of here, and I am going to have a faucet here just in case I want it. But I'm just going to pipe right over and go right through that wall to the pump. And I'm going to come back out the wall right over there and bury along the side of my shop. And I'm gonna pop up out there with the faucet. right, so I got my PVC outlet put in and I've got it buried. Just ran right along the side of my workshop. And I brought it to the wall right here. I was originally gonna bring it a little further, but I decided not to. But what I did in the ground is I put a cap down there, because if you've watched this video, you know that I tend to kind of design things on the fly as I go, as I see things that I would rather have different. So that's in case I ever want to route it further or add on to it or whatever. I'll always be able to tap in right there. I don't see anything now. Okay, so I don't see anything dripping in here. Let's see, I don't think that's not dripping in here. So let's take a walk outside. All right, so let's walk out here. Oh, my faucet's dripping. The faucet's dripping. Ugh. All right, I'm just gonna tighten that sucker up. I'm just gonna put an extra turner. What's gonna happen? I think that's it. So that's the whole deal. Maybe this will help somebody, maybe not. Maybe it'll show you what not to do. But there's the pump and all the piping. Again, pump came from Harbor Freight. All right, thanks for watching, and look out for my video on the shelter I built for my sheep. It's going to be a long one. It's going to take some editing, but it is coming. I'm going to work on it this weekend, I hope, if I have time. I'm not real quick when it comes to video editing, so I'm just going to have to do my best. So thanks for watching, and have a good one.